So hello fellow coin collectors and welcome back to Goomadee's Coins and Banknotes, and today we are looking at 1948 Australian halfpenny. So there are two mints that issued the coin this year. We have the Melbourne and the Perth mint, and in this video I've only got the Perth mint. I don't have any Melbourne mint because the mintage for Melbourne is only 4,598,000, and for Perth, which has a dot after penny, is 25,552,000. So that's for every coin they minted for Melbourne, there is 5 they minted for Perth. The easiest way you can know it's Perth is it has a dot after penny, as I just mentioned. If it doesn't have a dot after penny, it's either a die fill, more likely just a Melbourne mint. Apart from that, you can't really distinguish the differences between these two mints. Okay, so this coin in this grade, which would be very fine, has a price of about $2 for both mints. The price only differentiates when you get to uncirculated. So almost uncirculated, seems to have the same price of about $10 to $20. Uncirculated, talk about a slight difference, probably about $30 for the Perth mint, $35 for the Melbourne. So that's why these price catalogues, a lot of the coins have hype. So I would say that the Melbourne mint should, in higher grade, should have a lot higher value than the Perth mints, but obviously not. Okay, now here we talk about errors. So there are quite a lot of errors for this coin, both mints. What you're looking for, basically, on any halfpenny that's ever been minted is die cracks. So you've got die cracks that can go around there or can actually go in there. And you also got cuds, which are just pieces of the die that's been chipped out. So you can looking for dots or anything all over the place. For the Perth mint, there's also doubling on the H and the A, so re-engraved die. But I would look for doubling on all of these because you never know, they could have actually re-engraved other parts of the coin, which are not showing up in other people's analysis of this coin. And also, for some reason, there's a misshaped 8. So someone probably brought a child in for bring your child to work day, and he goes, "Oh, you're bored, are you? Yeah, just engrave this, little kid. Let's have fun." So, no, I don't even know. And yeah, so most of the errors in the error catalog are die cracks. Okay, 194 missing die fill. So the most prominent one is the die fill on the date. Usually the first 3 numerals, but I wouldn't be surprised if it's also the 8 that's also missing. Dot above H in half. Yeah, it's a die card, large die crack. Yep. Okay, so basically, and also probably also I would look for anything different with the kg. So it could be dot in between, dot after, could be even missing die fill. Okay, so let's have a look at these. And you got doubling on the rim, which is pretty common. Just means that the collar is probably a little bit loose. It was and the coin's been pressed out a lot longer. Now we are looking for errors. So a lot of these errors that you're looking for are probably pretty small, and I'm going to miss quite a few. But some people in the videos, when they watch them, do find them, but usually, oh well, these ones I'm not going to spend. Probably sell, but not spend. And this one's, yeah, I might keep this one because I'm going to start a collection of these. This one looks like it has mint luster, but it could have also been cleaned in the past as well. I don't see any evidence of cleaning, but probably just polish. A a lot of cleaning, you don't have scratches on it. Usually they dip. Okay, so here we have, looks like start of a lamination problem on the coin, which for pennies is pretty common. And it looks like we have ghosting. So the top of the, okay, so the top of the head of the king looks there. And that looks pretty good. And also we have definitely die crack on A. So there you go, die crack from A to rim. And we also have die crack on the L. So I think I'll keep this one. So that's a, die cracks are not too big, but they are enough to distinguish it under magnification. Now here we have another lamination. So obviously there's a problem with the metal, and that probably used the dies, put too much pressure on them. We'll probably use them too, no, I don't think they use them too much. Or maybe they did. This is a weakness that I see on a lot of these George VI coins. So it's either a grease strike or the die's been used too much. So that's one to keep. And we've got two more. So I've only got five of these. Okay, here we have ghosting again. So we've got top of the head here, bottom down here. So it seems to be ghosting is quite common. And is this re-engraved? No, it's just. So this has got, looks like there's a crap build up on the side of the lettering, which can confusing. The 8 looks fine. On the back, no, this is the front, should I say? Who cares? It's the back to me. Monarch's not important to me. They're just free loafers. And it looks a little bit like a weaker strike. So the lettering's a little bit weaker on that side. And you can tell also because the denticles are also weak. So there's probably not enough pressure on that side. Okay, so here we have the last coin. And yeah, we have a better strike with the lettering. This one's quite a well circulated coin. And I don't see anything apart from, looks like lamination problems, denticles not showing up. That could be just a circulation issue or a strike issue. And I don't see any die cracks on that one. Okay, so basically, yeah, not much in the way of errors on those coins. So, but the only one I'm going to keep is this one. Has die cracks, has ghosting, but ghostings seems to be quite common on half pennies, pennies, and the sixpence and fourpence coins. But I would say, yeah, probably like $5 or $10 for this coin, just for the minor errors that it's got. Anyway, I hope this helps you with your coin collecting. Let me know if you have any error coins, because it's very interesting. And I find this one, wow, yeah, I like the rim on this one. I might keep that as well. Looks like the collar's probably a bit too wide. No, not even a millimeter, just a fraction of a millimeter. And it's a bit hard to tell, so you need the calipers to actually tell. It looks like this one's been cleaned in the past too, just based on the color. This one looks like it's pretty much natural toning. It's a secondary toning. Anyway, thank you very much. Have awesome coin and banknote collecting time. Thank you and goodbye.